AI influencers are blowing up right now. Some of them already have millions of views and followers. And here's the good news. Higgsfield just launched 2 brand new features that make this way easier than ever. AI Influencer Studio, an all-in-one builder to create your own AI influencer, and Higgsfield Earn, a monetization platform where you can earn real money just by uploading your AI influencer content. Let me walk you through how it works. Step 1, create your AI influencer. First, you'll want to head over to Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio. I've put the link in the description. Inside the studio, you can generate your own AI influencer using a prompt. Try to be as detailed as possible, including things like visual traits, style, mood, and personality, so the character really feels unique. If you want a faster and easier way, you can just use the Builder feature. This lets you create your AI influencer using ready-made elements provided by Higgsfield. You simply choose the character type, whether it's a human, ant, bee, octopus, and more, then select the gender, ethnicity, skin tone, eye color, skin conditions, and age. After that, you can customize the face, body, and overall style. Once everything looks good, just click Generate Influencer, wait a few seconds, and your AI influencer will be ready. You can save it and use it anytime as your personal AI database. Step 2, create videos with your AI influencer. Now it's time to bring your AI influencer to life. You can directly use the motion control feature on the character you've created. Higgsfield already provides a free viral motion library that you can use instantly. Just tap Explore More to see all available motions. From there, simply choose the motion you like, select the video quality, which currently goes up to 1080p, and then tap Generate. After waiting a few minutes, your video will be ready. You can save it straight to your gallery, and it's ready to be uploaded for views and engagement. Step 3, earn money from your AI influencer. This is where things get really interesting. To start earning, go to the Higgsfield Earn website. The link is also in the description. The process is super simple. You just log in and connect your social media account. Then post your AI influencer video to the connected platform, copy the video link, and paste it into the Higgsfield Earn dashboard. Once your video gets approved, you'll start earning real money from your AI influencer content. Creating AI influencers, making viral content, and earning money has never been this easy. If you want to jump into the AI creator wave early, Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio and Higgsfield Earn are the perfect place to start. Try it now. Links are in the description. Don't just watch AI influencers, be the one who creates them.